Life of a law student is not easy. Long hours, heavy syllabus, and even heavier books. But are you still carrying these heavy books? Maybe it's time to replace your bare acts with a tablet or an iPad. And this is how I have been using my iPad to make my law school life a little easier. First, I would like to show you my iPad and the accessories that I use with it. This is my iPad जिसको मैंने first year में purchase किया था and I have been using it for about 3.5 years and ये आज भी बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. This is Flipkart Smart by Pencil. Along with my iPad, I purchased this alternative Apple Pencil for writing purpose and this works exactly like the original pencil and it gives smooth writing with good response. ये original Apple Pencil से बहुत सस्ती है and you can get it for about 1500. With the pencil, you get 2 extra nibs and a USB charger. I also use a keyboard with my iPad and this one is from Logitech and this is super smooth and it works really well. I use this for typing notes, assignment and for quick research and this makes things much easier. Now let's talk about the apps that I use on my iPad. So the first is the Files app. This app helps me keep all my notes organized subject wise and semester wise. मैं यहाँ अपने हर सब्जेक्ट के अलग अलग फोल्डर्स बना लेती हूँ. For example, IPC and Law of Contract. And the best part is जब भी मुझे अपने नोट्स की ज़रूरत होती है, I can find it really quickly. No unnecessary scrolling and no confusion. Next is the Notes app. यहाँ मैं अपनी to-do list बनाती हूँ for daily tasks, study goals and even small reminders. Whenever I complete a task, I simply tick it off. And इससे मुझे clearly पता होता है whether I am on right track or not. Next is Canva and InShot app which I use for most of my editing and designing work. Next is Cola Notes which I use for handwritten notes. It's perfect for anyone who prefers writing instead of typing and wants clean, organized written notes on their iPad. And the last app that I use is WPS Office. यहाँ मैं अपने नोट्स कीबोर्ड से टाइप करती हूँ, स्पेशली जब मुझे डिटेल्ड या लॉन्ग नोट्स लेने होते हैं. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन माई मूड एंड वर्क, कभी हैंड रिटन नोट्स या कभी टाइप नोट्स. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाउ आई यूज बेयर एक्ट्स ऑन माई आईपैड. एज अ लॉ स्टूडेंट हमें डेली बहुत सारी बेयर एक्ट्स कैरी करनी पड़ती हैं एंड ड्यू टू दैट बैग बहुत हैवी हो जाता है. एंड दिस वॉज माई मेन रीजन टू बाय एन आईपैड सो दैट आई कैन कीप ऑल ऑफ माई नोट्स एट वन प्लेस. iPad पे बेयर एक्ट पढ़ना काफी कन्वीनियंट है बिकॉज यू कैन इजीली हाईलाइट एंड अंडरलाइन इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजंस एंड यू ऑल्सो गेट मल्टीपल कलर ऑप्शंस which helps you to create color coding system. जैसे डेफिनेशन के लिए एक कलर, इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शंस के लिए दूसरा एंड एक्सेप्शंस या इलस्ट्रेशन के लिए कोई और कलर. Another feature I really like is that I can write directly in the side caps of the PDF. The margin space in the PDF is much wider compared to the physical bare act where the gap is very less, so it makes the writing part really easy. For me, using bare acts on my iPad makes studying law simpler, more organized and less overwhelming. Now let's talk about how I make notes on my iPad. I mainly use 2 different methods depending on the subject and the kind of notes I want to make. The first option is Cola Notes, where I make handwritten notes using my pencil. This is a really good app for law students who prefer writing by hand. इस ऐप में आपको बहुत सारे स्टाइल्स के पेपर मिल जाएंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइंड, डॉटेड एंड ग्रेड, एंड आपको इसमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग बुक कवर्स में मिलते हैं सो दैट यू कैन ऑर्गेनाइज योर नोट्स. आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग द पेपर आपको बहुत सारे पेन ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं एंड नॉट जस्ट पेन ऑप्शंस बट आपको हाइलाइटर्स में मिलते हैं एंड इन डिफरेंट कलर्स, सो आप अपने नोट्स को एस्थेटिक एंड ब्यूटीफुल बना सकते हो. हियर आई एम ऑल्सो शोइंग यू अ सैम्पल नोट्स दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड. One of the best feature of this app is that you can attach image directly into your notes. मैंने जिस पार्ट को वीडियो में हाईलाइट किया है, I have directly attached this from the bare act. This makes studying much easier because I can refer to the bare act instantly while revising my notes. Physical notebook में बीच बीच में कुछ ऐड करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, but here, if you want to add something in between, you can easily create space and continue writing. The second option I use for note making is WPS Office. I mainly use WPS Office for long and detailed notes, especially when I need everything structured properly. You can easily connect your keyboard with the tablet. You just require 2 small batteries and you need to turn on the button. You need to turn on the Bluetooth setting in your tablet and after that, your keyboard and the tablet will be paired and you can use it very easily. इसका राइटिंग एक्सपीरियंस बिल्कुल एक लैपटॉप जैसा है एंड इट इज़ रियली स्मूथ, so you won't face any difficulty. Keyboard ज़्यादा भारी भी नहीं है, so you can carry it around and this makes your life really easy. Here, I have shown a sample of the notes that I have made in WPS Office. This app really helps me stay organized and especially for revision and exam. So depending upon my need, I switch between handwritten notes on Cola Notes and typed notes on WPS Office. Now let's talk about how I read judgment on my iPad. I usually read judgments online and the best part is that I can also download them directly on my iPad. Once downloaded, I save them properly in My Files app, subject-wise and topic-wise. Reading judgments on my iPad saves time, keeps everything organized and makes legal study much more manageable. जजमेंट्स पढ़ते वक्त मैं इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को अलग अलग कलर से हाईलाइट करती हूँ जिससे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स क्लियरली स्टैंड आउट हो जाते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्रोज ऑफ स्टडिंग ऑन एन iPad. First, everything is in one place: notes, bare acts, judgment, PDF and the books. You can easily highlight, color code and make notes. Another big advantage is flexibility. मैं कहीं भी पढ़ सकती हूँ at home or at college. But at the same time, studying on an iPad also has some cons. The biggest one is screen time. Studying for long hours on screen can cause eye strain and fatigue. Another con is distractions. Notification, social media and other apps can easily break your focus if you are not disciplined. Also, the initial cost of a tablet can be high. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want, I can also make a detailed video on notes and exam preparation. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.